Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before we jump into this video, remember to follow me at Love Jayla and my business pages at Jayla Glam Beauty and at ShopBabe21. Let's just jump right into this video. Alright, right now I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm just going to carve my eyebrows with it and basically just prep the eyelid for our eyeshadow, right? So just watch me do. Now we're going to take our fluffy brush and we're going to blend out that concealer so that it's flat and not cakey. Now we're going to take our eyeshadow base from P. Louise in the shade Rumor Number 2, and we're going to basically prep our lids for our eyeshadow. I highly recommend this eyeshadow base because it doesn't crease, it doesn't patch, it doesn't cake. It's so good. Like, it definitely worth your money. Like, cut crease game change when you get P. Louise. Now we're going to take our brush, our fluffy brush of course, and we're going to blend the eyeshadow base, right, so that it's flat. So the key to this is just blending and being patient. So we're just going to blend both the concealer and the eyeshadow base so that it's just flat. Now we're going to take our eyeshadow palette and we're going to take that turquoise blue for our transition color. I don't quite remember where I bought this palette. I think it's from Amazon, but I don't remember the name because it doesn't have a name. But this palette is so good. I mean, it's not even expensive. I think I bought it for like $9 or maybe $5, I'm not sure, but over 2 years now I bought this palette. It is so good, it is so bomb. So yeah, I'm going to try and see if I could find the palette and just link it in the description box so you guys can check it out. So now I'm just blending our transition color, Now we're going to just jump in the same palette and we're going to take that purple bluish color. It's like purple on the camera, but it's like a bluish purplish color. So we're going to take that and just put it in our crease. So our crease is a little bit dark. We're just going to blend both the colors together so it doesn't look harsh. After all this blending, now we're going to take our same eyeshadow base that we took earlier to prep our lid to draw our cut crease. The best way I can explain the cut crease is just to press the concealer onto the lid and draw. Press the product and draw it from the inner portion of your eye. That's the best way I can explain it. Like, it's very tedious to explain, but just watch what I'm doing. If you'd like, you don't have to draw the concealer the way I did. You could just leave it like this. However, I decided to be a little bit extra girl, so I dragged the concealer on the outer portion of my eye so that it creates a different effect, because I was so inspired by the ocean, the way it was blue, like turquoise blue, when it went to dark blue, then turquoise blue. Like, I just decided to just recreate what was in my mind. So you don't have to do this extraness, but yeah. After I'm finished drawing my cut crease, I'm now going to take my flat brush to tap the excess product that might be on the lid. This is a key step. Like, to prevent the eyeshadow from caking, we need to tap the excess product that might be left behind from the base, so that when we're putting on our eyeshadow, it's seamless. All right, now we're going to take that baby blue or sky blue, and we're going to start from our inner portion of our eye and just press that eyeshadow onto our lid. Like, take our time and build the product and just press I'm not about press press the eyeshadow onto the lid. After we're finished building our baby blue color, as you can see, it looks seamless. We're just going to jump into the same palette, and we're going to take this dark blue and we're going to press it on the middle portion of our eyelid so that it gives a gradient effect to the eye look. Now we're going to take the same baby blue that we used earlier in the inner portion of our eye, and we're going to tap that on the outer portion of our cut crease, and just take our time and build the product, build the colors into each other so it doesn't look harsh, right? So we're just building the product into each other so it doesn't look harsh. What you see me doing is I'm taking the baby blue color and just tapping it over the dark blue color so it doesn't have that harsh look. So I'm just playing around, tapping the colors over each other so it doesn't look harsh. Now we are finally finished with our eyes. Yes, girl, we're finished with our eyes. Now we're going to pop some lashes on, and now we're back and we're going to just jump right into the foundation. I like to mix Juvia's Face foundation and the FitMe foundation, right? So for the Juvia's Face foundation, it's in 310 Burkina, and for the FitMe foundation, it's in 338. And we're going to take a Real Techniques foundation brush and a blending beauty sponge, of course, to blend our foundation. Girl, I never realized it never a video, so you know that go. When someone don't have the foundation part with me, I apply it. But yeah, I'm just pressing the foundation into my skin with a damp beauty blender. Yes, damp, not dry, damp beauty blender. Now we're going to do our highlight and contour. I use the Juvia's Place concealer in number 11 and the LA Girl Pro concealer in the same cool tan that we used earlier. This combo is so bomb. Like, I always use this combo. It is a good combo. It's perfect. And for the contouring, I use the shade stick from Juvia's Place in the shade Zambia. Yes, you can't see it because the light is too bright, but it's in the shade Zambia though. It's from Juvia's Place. Now we're going to take our powder brush from Real Techniques and we're going to blend our highlighted areas. So yeah, under eyes, or forehead, or nose, upper lip, chin. We're just going to blend that highlighted areas away, that concealer in the highlighted areas away. I'm now taking this foundation brush from Real Techniques to blend or contour areas. This brush is so good. It is so bomb. It's more like a more likely a foundation brush, but I use it sometimes to blend my contour. So yeah, we're just blending out the contour areas now. Yes, girl, we're now finished blending our contour and highlighted areas. Now we're going to take our damp beauty blender and we're going to just press the concealer into our skin to give it a more seamless finish. After we use our brush, we're just blending that concealer into our skin. We're going to take our Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set our highlighted areas. So what I'm going to do right now is just set under my eyes first. Yes, I like to set my concealer before I start baking. Like I bake for maybe like a minute or maybe 2 minutes. So yeah, I'm just setting my under eyes. After I'm finished setting the concealer, I'm going to move on to baking. So I'm just going to add a little more of the setting powder under my eyes and my nose and on my forehead and let that sit for maybe a minute or two. To set our contouring areas, I'm going to use this Black Radiance contour palette to set our contouring areas. I use the middle color. Sometimes I mix both. As you can see, it's almost finished. But today we're going to use the middle color and we're going to just set our contouring areas. to use the same contouring color from the contouring palette, and we're going to contour our nose. Now, after all that, we're going to take our pressed powder from FitMe. It's in the color 320. Yes, it's in 320. And we're going to dust away that setting powder with the pressed powder and just bring everything together. Like, I'm basically setting the face and getting rid of any harsh lines, any white lines, any type of lines. Yes, girl, we're almost finished. Yes, girl. Now we're going to take our blush from Juvias place. It's in the color Bella. Yes, Bella is the color. And we're going to just blush our cheeks and our nose. Yes, I like to blush my nose. Now we're going to take our Maybelline Fix Spray to set our face. So we're going to spray that all over our face and just set our face. Now we're going to take our damp beauty blender and we're going to just press that into the skin so it's more skin-like. We're going to take our Juvia's Face highlighting powder now, and we're going to just highlight our nose, the bridge of our nose, our cheeks, and girl, that's it. That's about it. Okay guys, so we made it to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Also, You see these stuff I'm wearing right now? I need you guys to go and follow them at Conga Apparel on Instagram. We have some new stuff coming. So yeah, the shirt is from them and the slippers are from them also. So go ahead and follow them. Tell them that Jenny sent you. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to stay beautiful, stay awesome. Have a good one.